Hello, this is John from Techie Grandpa. I would like to do a short review of this new gaming desktop from Acer, the Predator Orion 9000. I have ordered it here locally in Northern Europe and I got the delivery a few days ago. So let's check it, what I have received. So first, it has been a big box arriving at my place, quite also heavy, so careful folks about moving it around. So about the specification, it's model P09-600 with a Windows 10 64 8th Gen Intel Core i7 8700k, 32 GB of memory, DDR4 2667 MHz, 250 GB of SSD plus a 2 TB hard drive, a DVD drive, and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti 11 GB. So let's unbox. In the box you have an accessory boxes and just a desktop. No mouse and no keyboard on site. Once you open the accessory box, you find a power cable, some manual guide and a quick guide, and some brackets. So let's go around the desktop. In the front face you have the DVD player, classical big one behind the panel. Then on top you have the power button, turbo button, and some USB Type A, Type C, and some microphone input and output. You have a grill on top of the box. Then at the back you have plenty of I/O ports, video card, power supply, and the famous wheels at the bottom. So let's power on the desktop. I took away the side panel, so you can see the three fans are in blue, and the motherboard is having different colors that can be customized. The front also have this customization possible. Here it's blue. In the center you can see this quite big CPU cooler and the memory stick at the back touching the fan. At the bottom, the shroud for the power supply, 750 watt. Plenty of space around. You can have a liquid cooling on top. And the graphic card SSD drive is between the two PCI Express. So let's check the back. You have a 4 2.5 inch drive on the left and the 3.5 behind the motherboard. Between them you have this ice tunnel allowing cooling to go through. So on top you can also take away the panel, the mesh panel, and install multiple fan, 120 mm or 140 as it is marked here. To summarize this review of the Acer Predator Orion 9000, it's a big and heavy gaming desktop with focus on the RGB lights, blue for the fan and multicolor on the motherboard. There is capacity for expanding with a liquid cooling possible on top, and additional storages at the back. However, this gaming desktop is also loud, not only under stress but in regular day-to-day task. You can hear from time to time the beast waking up and roaring in the background. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please express your opinion if you like it or dislike it. I will do a follow-up video about the overall performance in the coming weeks. So please post some comments if you have any ideas what I should investigate.